Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I was travel in our village on uncompleted bridge. That bridge name is the Katakhali bridge. So many problem are here because of that site are not completed because of this site is there. So many people, farmer, farmer area plot are involved in this bridge and to our government or that area also solve that problem and after starting that work and our Muslim one type of culture that's that festival also say of the biggest of this festival that festival we also call Eid al-Fitr and so many people are travel in this area and like nice place of the sun and so many people are also to feel that natural environment in our river. That river we also know of the Ichamoti river, very interesting river, and everyone also feel that river. And I have so many time our house, village house also nearby that village river, and everything else. And you look that area. So many people are here to that area, and our West Bengal on type of project that's a Jal Bhodo project, Jal Shiva project, Mantalai. So many workers that area here, and okay, nice place. Goodbye, and you will see that bridge, like that bridge. এই হলো আমার একটা বস